stop valve. Stop valve is used in water and steam pipelines for shutting or opening the fluid flow. The main parts of the stop valve are the body, the valve and valve seat, spindle, packing, gland and the cover. The packing material is placed in the cover and the gland is then assembled. The cover is now fastened with the bridge by means of studs and nuts. The spindle is threaded at one end, which works in the threaded hole of bridge, so that the spindle can be raised or lowered. The other end of the spindle is stepped to assemble it with the valve. The spindle is inserted through the bridge and the cover assembly. The collar is introduced into the valve slot. The spindle step is inserted into the valve and it is fastened with the collar using the cotter pin. Thus, the spindle will carry the valve along with it when it is raised or lowered. At the top of the spindle, the hand wheel is mounted using nut. The square section of the spindle mates with the square hole of the hand wheel. The main body is flanged in order to provide connection for inlet and outlet for the fluid flow. The valve seat is fitted with a body. The internal taper in the valve accurately seats the valve seat at its external taper. The cover assembly is now fastened with the body using stud and nut. By rotating the hand wheel, the valve is lifted off its seat, thus admitting fluid flow from inlet side to the outlet side.